Present perfect simple. How do we form it? Well, there are two groups, I, you, we, and they, and he, she, and it. I, you, we, and they take have in the positive, haven't in the negative, and the third form of the verb if it's irregular, or the verb with ed for regular verbs. For example, I have eaten chicken this week. I haven't eaten fish. When we want to ask a question, we move the have and the haven't to the front. Have you seen that movie? Have they heard the news? Haven't you seen that before? Now the second group is he, she, and it. He, she, and it take has and hasn't. Notice in hasn't, there isn't any E. And then, of course, the third form of the verb, if it's irregular, or the verb with ed for regular verbs. And in the question form, again, the has and the hasn't move forward. So here are some examples. He has played tennis this week. She hasn't met him once in the last month. Has it worked? Hasn't he seen you lately?